Hi guys and welcome. Today we are going to be decorating my basement rec room. There's going to be some fireplace mantle inspirations and a little bit of everything else. So come along for this Halloween decorate with me of 2021. So the first thing that I will be doing over here in the rec room is just giving it a little bit of cleaning, especially the fireplace. It needs to be dusted before I do anything else. So I'm going to take all my fall decor off and store it away and then decorate it for Halloween for next 2 weeks, and then it's gonna be time for Christmas. So my plan is to go with a little spooky, a little cutesy, but pretty much I would say spooky, but not like scary. So I'm using these green wine bottles that I had on hand from back in the day when my husband used to bottle his own wine. And then I went into my garden and just snipped some of these branches. They are almost like purplish black color, and they kind of look a little bit on the spookier side, I find. So I thought that they would look really good in the bottles here, even as they dry. The leaves are just going to get darker and a little bit droopier. So I think that's going to look really good. And I was trying to make it so they kind of matched a little bit, and you can see this one was a little bit off, so I just trimmed it a little bit more and put it back in, just trying to make it look as close to the other one as possible. I really like adding these spiders, and they're different sizes. They kind of remind me of the little bats that everybody's doing, but I had these spiders on hand and I thought this would look spooky. It kind of looks like it's coming out of the branches. I had picked these up a while back from Dollarama. I think this will probably be the last year I'm using them because some of them have lost their limbs and faces and things like that. So I have very few left. And then the rest of the decor is I have either purchased at Dollarama or Dollar Tree, or I had DIY'd it. These came from Dollarama, and I think they are so cute and that cute spooky vibes. I'm also going to add this candelabra. This was thrifted that I upcycled last year, and I really like it. I'm going to put some tapered candles in it, and I think that's going to give it completely that haunted mansion vibe. Speaking of haunted mansion, I actually have a aerial music playing on the TV from the haunted mansion over in Disney World. And to complete the look, I added some skeleton heads. Now this my decor in general is I decorate, and then as I kind of live in it for a couple days, I change things around. So sometimes if I do a home tour, it looks completely different than what I did when I decorated it, because I need to have in my decor to have the right vibe. And over here, years back, I had snipped some branches in my backyard, and then I had spray painted them black. So I am just cutting them to fit nicer inside this bottle, and then to the tip of them I'm just adding bats, and I think this gave it that spooky vibe that I'm looking for. Now moving on to the coffee table, I just cleared it, cleaned it, and then went ahead and decorated it. I did struggle with this the most, just trying to figure out what looks the best. And I think I like what I did, but I might change a few things. Let me know what you think, how you feel about it. And around the TV, I tried to keep it as clutter-free as possible. We don't like to have too many things on the TV stand, so I just added this little skeleton as well as this um, flashing skeleton. And then up top, I had this Halloween sign, and I thought it would look cute in the window that still doesn't have curtains. Now I felt that I had some sort of lights everywhere, coffee table, side tables, but I felt that the mantle was missing some, so I had these, they're kind of like, they almost look like purplish lights from previous years, so I just added that to the mantle, and you'll have to stay till the end to see what it looks like when the lights are off. And now to complete the look, I am adding switching out some of these fall pillows for some Hocus Pocus inspired pillowcases. I love adding pillows and blankets to these leather couches. I think it just softens up the leather and makes it look a little bit more homier. And then I thought a fun thing would be to add the skeleton here that I picked up at Spirit. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this decorate with me. I will be having another video coming your way next week for Halloween, so stay tuned for that and let me know which part of this video you have enjoyed the most. And if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.